description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. However, today I don't have instant noodles. I've got something with the flavor of a certain variety of instant noodles that I found last weekend with my family at Target. And there's two others of these, but I'm going to start with this one. Look at that. Buldak potato chips. Pretty simple to prepare. I haven't scanned the package, obviously, so the preparation method will be to carefully scissor it open. Open bag. Take grabbing thing, put hand in bag, pull out random chip, and give it a try. So here we go. I'm getting a lot of lime. So these are lime habanero. I'm really detecting no heat. I'm getting lime. And maybe a little bit of that kind of regular bulldog flavor lingering in there. But other than that, it's they're not bad, but they're definitely not like, I don't know how to garnish these. What, a little bit of scallion? I'm guessing if I had lime and habanero, I could throw them on top, but that would be kind of expensive for what that would be. So I'm just gonna put some scallions on there. Tease them out. Kind of having some trouble using my new camera this morning. It's tricky. I've never really done a lot of DSLR stuff. Yeah, that's the right one. There we go. That's as far as I'm going with that. I was thinking cheese too, but I don't know. But yeah, they're chips. I mean, I'm not like impressed really all that much. They're not bad, but yeah. There you go, chips. Well, that may have been, ladies and gentlemen, the fastest episode of the show I've ever done. The next one that I'm going to do is this Nongshim Tumba stir fry in this tray. Previously, I did review this. I had to get it again because, well, I did it incorrectly the first time. I wasn't right on where the fill line was. It does say 3/4 of a cup of water though, so Yeah, but I ignored that, and I was like, oh, well, that must be the fill line. And instead of a stir fry, it was a soup. I liked it as a soup, though. And it seemed like it had the right amount of flavor and stuff for that, but... So, we'll see if I like it better correctly prepared versus being a soup. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.